I think I told her. Yeah. Is Stephen Higgins here?
Yes.
William Garcia Garcia?
Yes. If that's those two all star.
All right. All right, we're ready to start working on our final pretrials.
I'll just take it back for the two cancellations and reset for tomorrow.
Good afternoon to everybody in California
And then at this point.
and everywhere else. Looks like they're ready to come back, so I'm gonna.
He's got some civil stuff. He does a lot of sense.
No, they're not quite ready. I'll let it run for a minute.
I would just feel terrible.
We have 4 final pretrials. Judge Pattison, just as I was leaving to go to Three Rivers, he came in, so he handled his own afternoon docket. I thought I was gonna have to handle his pretrials at 1, and he's here in Arlington to handle his own cases.
So he's like, let's just zoom. They say, I just don't want to be.
Yes, everybody who was traveling, we're glad you made it back. If your team's still in the World Cup, good luck to you tonight and tomorrow and over the weekend. Air conditioning is working well in here. When I came in this morning, all the windows were fogged up. It was quite humid. I don't really mind if the lawyers use this time to talk about their cases. Anything we resolve today is one last thing that needs to be set for jury trial. Good afternoon, upstate New York. We've got a friend from Argentina and she's all over it. Kids have Argentina soccer jerseys. I guess we'll have to go with that. Good afternoon, Toronto. And Wisconsin and Grand Rapids. We're just letting this spin for a minute while we wait for prosecutor and the defense attorneys. It is hot and I have more tree work to do when I get home tonight, but if I work at it a little bit each night, within about 500 days, I'll be done with it. Is Autumn Baker here? All right, we've got everybody that is supposed to be here is here. We have one defendant in the jail that I think we'll do him by Zoom. Raining in Constantine. This is coming our way. All right, Mr. Gibson's got to touch base with his clients on the subject chat off. This could take a while. So good afternoon. Tomorrow, we have a busy landlord-tenant docket and general civil docket. Do not have anything scheduled in the afternoon. And if I can get out of here early, I might try to leave early tomorrow. There are only so many summer days in the world. Our 9 o'clock case settled, so we don't, 9 and 9:15. We don't have a case tomorrow until 9:30. We blocked off 11 to 12 for a hearing. It sprinkled a little bit on the way back from Three Rivers to here today. I thought it was gonna break loose, but it didn't. One of our viewers said it's raining in Constantine, so see if it's coming our way. I actually don't mind the rain on my grass. I think the farmers like it too. We informed before we went on the record, they're shuffling the bailiff corps again, starting next week. The department is trying to get enough people hired in for the corrections staff to get trained in the jail to free up the people from the jail to do the bailiff work. Providing bailiff services for 2 courthouses is very expensive for the county. But they're committed to public safety, and I respect that. Abigail, I understand you guys have filled your open position.
Yeah, Debbie and Gary interviewed somebody last week on Thursday and offered her the job.
Great. And when would the new person start?
Not for another couple weeks. I think it's sometime beginning of August.
Then you will no longer be the new person. You'll be the
Right, I'll have some
senior
seniority.
staff. Yes. One day I was the new person, and then 47 years later, I was still here and it was time to go. Probably should have turned this on. It often takes Paul so long to talk to his people. World's most boringest live stream. I'll ask you while we're here, Abby, what's the offer in Autumn Baker?
It's, part of what, it's like her package offer that Debbie put on the record last week. It's a retail fraud third.
William Garcia. Is there offering him?
I offered to dismiss one if he pleads guilty to the other.
All right. Stephen Higgins, he's been working on getting himself squared away.
Yeah, that one, I guess, is gonna stay on for trial for now. Hoping that he'll do what he needs to do to get an offer.
And then Swinehart,
The offer was as charged, with the time served recommendation, and Paul's not sure if he'll take that.
all right. All right, sorry, folks. We'll wait as long as it takes.